In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and remove duplicate data in Excel. If you're working with spreadsheets, duplicate entries can quickly make your data harder to read, sort, and analyze. The good news is that Excel has a built-in tool that makes this process fast and simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to locate duplicate data and remove it safely from your worksheet. Start by opening the Excel file where you want to find and remove duplicate values. Once your file is open, go to the section of the spreadsheet that contains the data you want to clean up. Click and drag to select the full data range you want Excel to check. It's important to select the correct range before moving on, because Excel will only scan the cells you highlight. If your data is organized in a table with headers, make sure you include everything you want reviewed so the results are accurate. After selecting your data, move to the top of the Excel window and click the Data tab. This is where you'll find many of Excel's data management tools, including sorting, filtering, and duplicate removal. In the Data tab, look for the option called Remove Duplicates and click it. As soon as you do, a dialog box will appear on the screen. In that dialog box, Excel will ask you which column or columns you want to check for duplicates. This part is important because it determines how Excel identifies repeated entries. If you select only one column, Excel will remove rows based on duplicate values in that single column. If you select multiple columns, Excel will only remove rows where the combination of values across those selected columns is repeated. Take a moment here to choose the columns that match the way you want duplicates to be identified. Once you've selected the correct column or columns, click OK. Excel will immediately process the data and filter out the duplicate entries based on your selection. After that, another message will appear telling you how many duplicate values were found and removed, along with how many unique values remain in your data set. This confirmation helps you quickly verify that the cleanup worked as expected. And that's it. You've successfully found and removed duplicate data in Excel. As a helpful tip, it's always a good idea to save a backup copy of your file before removing duplicates, especially if you're working with important records. That way you can easily return to the original data if needed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.